Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to change the CapCut background without green screen. So first you just have to go ahead and create a new project, and then right here you just have to import your video and then drag the video right here. So now just click on the video that you have added, and at the right side of your screen, you'd be able to see these options. Now click on the cut out option and then scroll down until you can see the auto cut out. Now just wait until the process is complete and your video will be cut out automatically. Now select the style, and right here you'd be able to see or to choose the different style that we can use as the new background of our video. So for example, I'm going to use this one right here, and after that you just have to go ahead and import another file that you want to use and drag this one below the video. So make sure that the background is put below the video, and after that you just have to adjust the new background, resize it until it fill in the whole ratio of your video. And after that, let's preview this one, and as you can see, we have now a new background for our video without using a green screen. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.